So I just stumbled upon this coding agent called DeepSeek-TUI, and it sounds like a game changer for terminal users.
Right? It's fascinating how it integrates a coding agent directly into your terminal environment. It's like having a personal assistant for coding.
Exactly, I love how it can manage files, run shell commands, and even orchestrate subagents. It's pretty much a one-stop shop for coding tasks.
And the fact that it can handle 1M token context windows is wild. That's a massive amount of data for a coding agent to process.
Wait, seriously, 1M tokens? I was skeptical about how that would work in practice. Doesn't that slow things down?
You'd think so, but they've implemented intelligent compaction. It ensures that performance remains smooth even with that level of context.
That's unexpected. I mean, usually more data means more complexity, right? How do they maintain that balance?
Well, the architecture seems to follow a dispatcher-to-TUI-to-engine model. It streamlines the process while keeping everything organized.
Interesting, so it essentially breaks down tasks and manages them efficiently. I wonder how it deals with errors or issues during execution.
Great question. They've included a post-edit diagnostic system. If there's an error, it gets injected back into the model's context before the next reasoning step.
That's really smart. It's like continuous learning, right? So if it makes a mistake, it can adapt and improve almost immediately.
Exactly. Plus, there's a session save and resume feature which is super useful for long tasks. You won't lose your progress if something fails.
Ah, that's a lifesaver, but I'm curious about the user interface. Is it user-friendly enough for coding novices?
Definitely. It uses a keyboard-driven TUI, making it pretty accessible. Plus, it's designed to help users understand the reasoning behind actions.
That sounds fantastic. I love when tech is both powerful and approachable. But what about its adaptability to different programming languages?
Excellent point. It supports multiple languages and integrates with language servers for diagnostics. It can even surface inline errors.
While that's comprehensive, I can see how it'd be useful for both seasoned developers and learners. But are there any limitations?
Well, some users may find the initial setup a bit daunting, especially if they're not familiar with command line interfaces.
That makes sense. It could be intimidating at first. I guess it's about striking a balance between power and usability.
Exactly. And while it's great for terminal enthusiasts, it might not appeal to those who prefer GUI-based environments.
But for those who stick with it, the potential is huge. I mean, real-time reasoning and task management, that's revolutionary.
Totally. Imagine being able to watch the model reason through code as you work. It's like having a coding companion right there.
And it can handle complex tasks autonomously with its YOLO mode. That's a bold move, but is there a risk of it making mistakes?
That's a valid concern. YOLO mode auto-approves actions, which could lead to errors if not monitored. It's crucial to supervise it initially.
So it's really about finding that trust balance. You'd want to be cautious before letting it take full control.
Exactly. And for safety, it also has features like workspace rollback, so you can revert to previous states if something goes wrong.
That's reassuring. It seems they thought through a lot of potential pitfalls, but what about its cost?
It varies. The Pro model offers competitive pricing, especially with its current discounts, but users should check for budget alignment.
Right, an investment, but if it boosts productivity, it might be worth every penny. I could see teams really benefiting from it.
Absolutely. It's designed for collaboration too, allowing session sharing which can be a game changer for team projects.
Collaboration features can't be overlooked. This could transform how teams approach coding and debugging.
For sure. And with the ability to publish your own skills, it fosters a community-driven approach to development.
That's fantastic. It sounds like a tool that not only aids individual developers but also builds a collaborative ecosystem.
Exactly. The open source aspect allows for endless possibilities. It's like a canvas for developers to paint their ideas on.
So given all this, what do you think the future holds for tools like DeepSeek-TUI?
I think we'll see more integrated solutions that combine active learning, collaboration, and real-time assistance in coding.
Agreed, the landscape is changing fast and tools that adapt will lead the pack. It's an exciting time to be in tech.
Definitely. And it challenges developers to rethink how they approach coding. I can't wait to see what's next.
Right? If only we had access to such tools back in the day, the coding experience would have been drastically different.
For sure, it makes you wonder how much further we can push the boundaries of coding efficiency and creativity.
Such a thought-provoking discussion. I feel like we've only scratched the surface of what's possible with these innovations.
Absolutely. Let's keep an eye on developments in this space. There's bound to be more exciting news ahead.